Hey everyone, this is Rana.
And this is Scott.
And we're here from Workato's product marketing team.
Let's dive right into the product updates for September. This month, we have several connector updates. First, we recently released the Azure Blob Storage Connector. Azure Blob Storage is a massively scalable and secure object storage from Microsoft. It is often used to archive your application data, back up large media files, or as a staging area to collect and transform data before loading it into a data warehouse for analytics.
With the new Azure Blob connector, you can cover use cases like archiving service case data, including attachments and documents from Salesforce, or agreements and contracts from DocuSign. Back up those large media files you have, like Zoom call recordings and customer support calls, for later access.
And once staged, stream the file data into a data warehouse like Snowflake for analytics.
Let's talk about the Workfront Connector. Workfront is a project management application that is used by different business functions, from marketing to HR to IT. But these different business teams often track their activities in their own applications, making it difficult to centralize project management.
The Workfront Connector enables you to integrate Workfront to all these applications and more. Spend less time manually replicating data between apps or tracking down teams for updates.
For customer onboarding, a closed deal in Salesforce could kick off a provisioning process in Workfront. And for project management, a new task in Workfront can update or create issues in Jira, where developers manage their tasks.
Next, let's talk about a couple of platform updates. Testing is an important part of delivering quality automations. Testing helps find errors before the automation is used in production. But proper testing and debugging can add days or weeks to your delivery lifecycle.
Job Debug Tracing for test jobs accelerates testing cycles by providing a detailed account of every network request made, including HTTP codes, headers, and payloads. This makes troubleshooting errors faster, improves the quality of recipes, and boosts developer productivity.
Now, every time you run a test job, a network trace will run so you can review the HTTP calls made for the actions.
For our last update, we've added the ability to uncompress zip files using the Files connector.
All of us are familiar with zipping and unzipping files when sharing photos, videos, or other documents. Similarly, businesses zip large files when moving large amounts of data.
For example, receiving daily or monthly transaction data from your partners or service providers, documents for background checks from your new hires, NDAs or other legal documents, or telemetry data from your engineering team.
To uncompress files, use the Files by Workato app and select the Uncompress a File action. In this automation, approved expense reports are zipped and stored in Amazon S3, so the files are first uncompressed, then parsed before loading into NetSuite.
That wraps it up for this month's updates. Thanks for tuning in.
Hope to see you all in the next one.